Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a funky little cube backdrop. I mean, like, we do a lot of backdrops, but sometimes it's like I would like to teach you how to do things or put shaders on there as well. So we're going to go ahead and change to cycles. We'll go ahead and shade the cube smooth, and if you also want to, you can go with let's see, I forgot what the name is for it. I think I do that a lot, by the way. I think just trying to look for what I need. Bevel, there we go. Alright, so we're going to bevel these. Let's go to the shading tab. I'm going to go ahead with Veroni, so let's add Veroni texture on here. We'll go colour to the roughness, just to get some little patterns going there. Let's go ahead and add bump. As such, we'll place this in here. We'll place colour to height, distance up, and filter up. So we get a little bit more bumpiness in there. We're going to go ahead with add, and we'll add colour ramp. So colour ramp comes right here. Colour to base colour, add, and we're going to go with a nice little gold. So we just kind of want something just about there. Go ahead and up the metallic. And what I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and increase the detail on the Veroni right there, so that we've got this nice little gold coming through. Okay, so once we got something like this, let's go ahead and go back to layout. We're going to go 7 to 7. We're going to go ahead and make a grid of cubes. So you can start off like this. They don't have to be perfect. Let's put these here. And then I'm just going to go ahead, copy these as such. Just in here. Alright, box selects everything, duplicate it over. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to start with this cube. These two cubes, this one and this one. We're going to go with G, bring these up. Alright, so magic movie stuff, we're back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put this onto render so you guys can see what's going on with this. And we're going to need a few lights, or at least a good light for this. Whoops. So let's press G with that, move that up. And then I'm just going to go ahead and increase the exposure for that particular light. That's pretty cool. Alright, so once we've got something like this, we can go ahead and kind of put the camera here somewhere. So do add plane, S for scale. A nice little nifty background. So let's go with view and align camera to view. G, bring this back. Nice little desktop background. And then, because obviously we're missing all of this, we need to go to the lens under data where the camera is, and then go to the end and just pull that back as such. So now we have these nice little blocks. You can zoom into these, you can do whatever camera angle that you want to. We've got depth of field as well, so I'm just going to select a random cube, and then I'm just going to pull the depth of field down a little bit. So that shadow kind of blurs and that background blurs a little bit. Alright, so if you guys like this tutorial, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.